Welcome to Nostalgic 2 Days 2025 in Yokohama, Japan, one of the most awaited classic car shows in the country. In this video, we'll explore vintage masterpieces and soak in the amazing atmosphere that makes this event a must-visit for any car enthusiast. Just look at the crowds. Enthusiasts from all over have gathered to admire row after row of beautifully restored classics and custom builds. Let's head inside and take a closer look. The venue is huge. There are booths selling hard-to-find parts, restoration services, and all kinds of memorabilia. Whether you're into Japanese domestics or foreign exotics, Nostalgic 2 Days has something for everyone. From this vantage point, you can really appreciate the scale of this event. It's not just a car show, it's a community, bringing together collectors, restorers, and fans under one roof. Let's start with this regal Rolls-Royce. Its classic lines and luxurious presence are hard to miss. Proof that Nostalgic 2 Days isn't just about Japanese icons. International legends also find their place here. Moving on, we have a Nissan 300ZX. Check out the sleek exterior design. It still looks futuristic decades later. This model helped define the 90s Japanese sports car era. The iconic Toyota Trueno. With its open hood on display, you can see the meticulous engine work. Fans and onlookers gather around for a better view, reminiscing about one of Japan's most beloved hatchbacks. Here's a 1973 Toyota Corolla, a charming throwback to simpler times. With its hood open, you can admire the vintage engine layout, while the side and overhead shots highlight the Corolla's timeless shape. Check out this fully customized machine. Carbon fiber panels, upgraded wheels, and racing seats transform it into a modern beast while still honoring its retro roots. In the same spirit, this second custom build shows how creativity and craftsmanship come together. Whether you're a purist or a fan of bold modifications, Nostalgic 2 Days offers an impressive variety. A heavily upgraded 1983 AE86 has been transformed into a track-focused machine. The owner went all out, improving the engine, suspension, and overall setup to make it perform like a modern sports car. The trophies and certificates on display highlight its success at various events. This is a Nissan Skyline GT with an L-Series engine upgrade. You can practically feel the nostalgia radiating off this beautifully executed replica. Now for the modern JDM powerhouses, Nissan GTRs that carry on the Skyline legacy. Updated engineering meets classic lineage, reminding us why these cars remain so highly regarded among enthusiasts. Here's another AE86, a longtime favorite in the drifting world. Even after all these years, it still commands respect thanks to its lightweight chassis and tunable engine. Back to Nissan GTRs, each interpret performance and style in distinct ways. Whether you prefer a near-stock approach or a wide-body kit, these cars prove the versatility of Japan's iconic supercar. Stepping further back in time, the Skyline RS from the 80s features a 4-cylinder DOHC turbo setup, a reminder that Nissan has experimented with various engine layouts to maximize performance. Pickup enthusiasts aren't left out either. Both of these trucks have been tastefully modded, everything from lowered suspension to custom paint. They stand out as unique additions to a show often dominated by coupes and sedans. Even Italian exotica makes an appearance. The Ferrari F355 with its sleek lines and mid-engine design, underscores the international flavor of nostalgic two-days. Finally, check out the Nissan Fairlady Z, often known abroad as the Datsun 240Z, a true icon of the 70s. This example is beautifully preserved, showcasing the timeless lines and spirited performance that helped define Japan's legendary Z lineage. That's a wrap for our updated coverage of Nostalgic 2 Days 2025 in Yokohama. We've seen everything from British luxury to old-school Toyotas, along with JDM legends and even a Ferrari. Thanks for joining this tour and see you in the next one.